Let's begin to bake the hexagon shape. So to crochet the hexagon shape, today I'm going to crochet it with double crochet. So first I'll make a magic ring. And I'll chain 3. And that chain 3 is counted as the first double crochet. And make another double crochet, chain 2, and I'll make 5 more clusters of double crochet and chain 2 spaces. So in the ring, I have 6 sets of cluster, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I chain 2, and I slip stitch in the first 3 chain space at the start of the round, and I slip stitch in the next double crochet, and then slip stitch to the 2 chain space, chain 2, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the same space, chain 2, another double crochet in the same space, and a double crochet in each of these 2 double crochet, and in this 2 chain space you make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 more double crochet in the same space, and then a double crochet in each of these double crochet. And in the 2 chain space, double crochet, and chain 2. And you repeat this until you reach the end. You slip stitch in the first three chain space. After adding some more rows, this is the octagon. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.